Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Nissan Maxima SR, one of my favorite Nissans available today. $44,265 is the total price of this one. Sunset Drift CH, I don't know what CH is. Nissan does weird things with their sticker where they don't have the colors right here. They're like abbreviations. 3.5 liter V6, 300 horsepower, 261 pound-feet of torque, made it to a CVT. Man, these things are beautiful. First time I drove one of these, I was so impressed with them. Never sat in the back seat. Yeah, I was super impressed with this thing the first time I drove a Maxima. Every time I drive one, I see why they are the four-door sports car. Oh. Ventilated seats are beautiful on a day like today. Alright, sports activated. Alright. Do have paddles behind the wheel. You know what? I might try those for the second lap, just in case you're curious to see what they're like. But of course, with a CVT, there's no actual gears. It's a series of belts and pulleys that replicate gear ratios. I have the seat in its lowest down setting too, but you can still see the hood and all the bulges in the hood and all that. It's a unique car to drive. There isn't any other car like this in the segment. I do love the suede on the wheel too. All in all, this is just awesome. Go over this rough road section. Not too bad. Of course, this is the SR, the sport version. Yeah, I'm not upset with that. It's pretty good. Let's try the paddles. They, of course, stay in place. And then if you are in manual mode and you need to make a pass right away and don't want to downshift, there's a kick down mode. So it will kick down to the lowest available gear. And it also will downshift if you come to a stop too. A little bit of torque steer there. Let's go ahead and try the off camber. See if we can upset this thing. Nope. Perfectly happy. This thing is awesome. I love the Maxima. I really do. Especially in this spec. This is awesome. This is really, really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.